Hey everybody, it's Matt from Matt's World. Just kidding. Hey guys, the budget backpacker. I'm going to film myself trying to inflate this water splash pad. We're going to see how it goes. Good job, everybody. I appreciate you joining me on, excuse me, the splash pad. This is where we're going to cool off, especially me, and I appreciate you joining me along the way. Works. I'm excited, and stay tuned for the next clip. And if you like this, please click like below or subscribe. Those really matter. They add up. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.